Alright, so this is going to be a video of the 42-inch white Harbor Breeze Ocracoke ceiling fan that is installed above the kitchen island of another Roblox house. There's quite a few fans in the kitchen, but I decided to film this one first. I already filmed the camera and that's right there. That's stopping right now. So, starting with the light. And as you can see, all three of the bulbs are functional. Has a great little speed to it. Right, here goes medium. Alright, here goes high. This is great on high. It's a great high speed to it. That's it. This is the 42-inch white Harbor Breeze Ocracoke ceiling fan that is installed above the kitchen island that's in another Roblox house. Hopefully you liked the video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.